Hello learner. Welcome back to Asha Edu Class, your learning partner for English made easy. Hello teachers. In this video, we are sharing a complete lesson plan for Class 6 English, Unit 2, Chapter 1, The Unlikely Best Friends. You'll find clear learning objectives, TLOs, helpful teaching aids, and fun, interactive activities to make your classroom engaging and effective. Let's get started. Gist of lesson. The story is about an elephant named Gajraj who feels lonely until he befriends a stray dog. They become best friends, but the dog is taken away by his owner. Both become sad and stop eating. Seeing this, the farmer lets the dog return. The two friends happily reunite, and even the Mahood and farmer become friends. Message: true friendship knows no boundaries. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the theme of unlikely friendships by exploring the bond between Gajraj and Bunty. Identify and use vocabulary related to animals, elephant, Mahood, stray, etc., and emotions, lonely, happy, sad, etc. Answer comprehension questions to show understanding of the story. Think critically about the characters' feelings and choices, and reflect on the value of friendship. Practice speaking and writing by retelling the story or expressing their own views on friendship. Recognize and use different forms of the past tense, simple past, past continuous, etc., in sentences from the story. Targeted learning outcome. Students will be able to understand the concept of unlikely friendships, enhance vocabulary related to animals and emotions, improve reading comprehension skills, develop critical thinking and reflection abilities, practice speaking and writing skills, learn about different forms of past tense. Teaching aids. 1. Story video clip animated PPT visual presentation of the story with pictures and voiceover to engage students. Add background music and animal sounds for better effect. Flashcards picture cards. Pictures of Gajraj, the dog, Bunty, Mahood, stable, pond, rope, etc. For vocabulary building and sequencing activities. Teen word wall, chart paper. Display new words from the story. For example, Mahood, yelped, winced, strayed, delighted, with meanings and visuals. Char reading worksheet, comprehension sheet. With MCQs, true false, short answer questions based on the story. 5. Puppet or toy props. Use an elephant and dog puppet toy to retell the story in an interactive way. 6. Mind map or concept map. To show the emotional journey and relationships among the characters. 7. Speaking cue cards. Prompts for students to share their views on friendship or retell parts of the story. 8. Grammar activity sheet. Based on past tense verbs from the story, for example lived, saw, ran, gave, etc. Previous knowledge. Have you ever had a pet? What kind of bond did you share with it? Can animals be friends with each other? Why or why not? What do you know about elephants? Are they emotional animals? Have you seen or heard of unusual friendships between animals? E.g. dog and cat, cow and goat. What does it mean to be a good friend? Can friendship happen without speaking the same language? Teaching learning planned activities. Pre-reading activities. Picture prediction. Show an image of an elephant and a dog. Ask students, what do you think is happening here? Discussion. Ask students about their pets or friendships among animals they've seen. Vocabulary preview. Introduce 4-5 new words, e.g. Mahood, stray, winced, yelp, delighted, with pictures or actions. Reading activity. Guided reading, read the story aloud or play audio. Pause to explain key scenes. Silent reading, allow students to read along silently and underline unfamiliar words. Post-reading activities. Story sequencing, give students jumbled events from the story to arrange in order. Who said to whom? Quiz based on dialogues in the story. Character feelings, students match emotions, for example, sad, happy, lonely, with events or characters. Language focus. Grammar, identify and list past tense verbs from the story. Activity, change present tense sentences to past tense using story examples. For example, the dog runs, the dog ran. Listening activity. Audio clip, play a short part of the story. Ask students to note down who the characters are. Tick the actions they hear, worksheet based. True or false, based on listening. Speaking activities. Pair talk. If you were Gajraj, how would you feel when the dog left? Role play. Enact a short conversation between the dog and the elephant. Writing activity. Creative writing. Write a short paragraph on my best friend or an unlikely friendship I imagine. Diary entry. Imagine you are Gajraj. Write your diary entry after Bunty left. Problem-solving activity. Scenario discussion. If you were the farmer, what would you do when you see your dog so sad? Group work. Discuss and list ways to care for animal friendships. Competency skills. Reading comprehension, critical thinking and problem solving, vocabulary enhancement, grammar usage, past tense forms. Listening and speaking, writing, empathy and understanding of relationships. Suggested evaluation assessment. Formative assessment. Observe class participation and activities. Assess comprehension responses. Evaluate pair work and group activities. Summative assessment, vocabulary quiz on new words from the story. Grammar test on past tense forms. Written test on story comprehension and character analysis. Project-based assessment. Create a short presentation on an unlikely animal friendship from real life. Write a creative story about two unlikely friends. Peer assessment. Evaluate each other's spoken sentences using new vocabulary. Self-assessment. Reflect on their understanding of the concept of unlikely friendships. Art-integrated learning activity. 1. Drawing story caption. Activity. Students will draw a scene from the story, e.g. Gajraj sharing food, bathing in the pond, or the reunion. Below the drawing, they will write a caption or dialogue between the elephant and the dog. 2. Mask-making role play. Students will create simple paper masks of Gajraj and Bunty. Then, in pairs, they will enact a short role play showing their friendship. 3. Friendship band craft. Students design and make a friendship band symbolizing the bond between Gajraj and Bunty. They can use chart paper, thread, or decorative items. They will also write a friendship slogan on a strip, for example, true friends stay together. 4. Poster making theme, unlikely friendships. Create a poster with drawings of animals, or even humans, who are different but still great friends. Add a title, such as Friendship Has No Boundaries. 5. Comic strip creation. Students will design a 3 to 4 panel comic strip showing a conversation between Gajraj and Bunty. Use speech bubbles and expressive faces. Recapitulation questions. Who was Gajraj and where did he live? Why was Gajraj unhappy even though he lived in royal comfort? How did Gajraj and the stray dog become friends? What happened when the farmer came to take the dog back? How did both the elephant and the dog react to the separation? What made the farmer change his mind in the end? How did the story end? What do we learn from the friendship between Gajraj and Bunty? Can animals feel emotions like humans? Give examples from the story. What message does the story give about friendship? Thank you for watching. We hope this lesson plan helps you create a joyful and meaningful learning experience for your students. For more such content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Asha Edu Class. Happy teaching!